artificial intelligence create art? Seems like a simple yes or no question, yet it involves three questions at once. Is the outcome art? Who is the artist? And who pays the price for this work? First, consider this. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a system that learns patterns from vast data. It can recognize a cat after seeing thousands of cat photos. Similarly, it can learn a particular style from millions of images and generate something in that style. When you ask for a Van Gogh sunset, it mimics his brushstrokes impressively. But is art just a resemblance, or is it a unique way of seeing the world? If art is produced with artificial intelligence, what happens to the artist? Imagine a musician who spends months crafting an album. Someone else types, "Generate a sad 90s rock song," and gets a track within seconds. Who is the artist behind that song? The same applies to visual arts. Similarly, AI can instantly mimic a style a painter took years to develop. When galleries, agencies, or social media accounts use these outputs, viewers may feel like the artist is no longer needed. Yet, a painter does more than produce images. They select, experiment, discard, and embed their own life into the work. With AI, the journey and the story are absent. This shifts the meaning of artist. The artist may cease to be the creator and instead become the curator and editor. For some, this may represent a new form of creativity. For others, it significantly diminishes the concept of the artist. Whose labor is used for AI art? The second issue is more troubling. AI models often learn from illustrations, photos, and texts found online. A designer's drawings may become training data without their consent or knowledge. When users request images in the style of X, the output resembles that artist's style. The artist gives no consent, receives no payment, and gets no credit. At this point, the question becomes, is this system building a new market by invisibly exploiting the labor of others? This production has an ecological cost. The third issue is frequently overlooked. AI relies on large data centers that consume enormous amounts of electricity and water for cooling. When millions of people constantly generate images, videos, and texts, physical resource consumption increases. Digital production is not as cost-free as it seems. In conclusion, the issue is not simply whether the output looks good. The concept of the artist, labor rights, and environmental costs are all transforming. This is where sociology steps in. When a technology is introduced, who benefits, who loses, and which values are redefined? The real question is not, can AI create art, but when art is made with AI, who determines its social value? This lies directly in the realm of sociology.